This video shows how to use the take-up reel on the HP Latex 280 printer, formerly known as the HP DesignJet L28500. Before beginning, make sure that the tension bar is in its raised position. Go to the Home menu on the printer's front panel. Select the Substrate menu and then select Enable Take-up Reel. Press Yes to attach the take-up reel now. Unlock the take-up reel by lifting the two levers on each side of the printer. Remove the take-up reel. Press OK. Note that the right-hand stop has two positions. Set it depending on the roll width you are using. Unlock and remove the blue stop from the left end of the spindle. Load the core onto the take-up reel. The core should be at least as wide as the substrate. Replace the blue stop on the take-up reel. Slide it into contact with the core and then lock it. Load the take-up reel into the printer by pushing firmly on both ends. This locks it into place on the printer. Press the Advance Paper button on the front panel's Substrate menu to advance the substrate. Continue advancing the substrate until it reaches the spindle. Pass the substrate between the diverter and the tension bar. Tape the leading edge of the substrate to the core in the center and then at each side. Make sure that the substrate is straight. Use the Advance button on the take-up reel motor to advance the take-up reel one turn to make sure that the substrate is firmly attached to the core. Press the Advance button to put some slack in the substrate. Lift the lever to lower the tension bar. Press OK when complete. Use the winding direction switch on the take-up reel motor to select the winding direction. Setting 1 winds the substrate so that the printed image faces in. Setting 2 winds the substrate so that the printed image faces out. Press the OK button on the front panel when you are done. Press OK again. The tension bar has a counterweight to adjust output tension. It can be set in one of two positions depending on the substrate type. Press OK. The printer will calibrate the substrate advance. The take-up reel has been successfully installed message appears. Press the OK button on the front panel to finish. Your printer is now ready to print. You can find additional helpful videos at hp.com/support videos and on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/HP Support Advanced.